Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need a current Windows build and working GPU drivers. This lets Task Manager report GPU data accurately. Once ready, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. You want the window focused so you can add columns. If permissions block changes, right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager as administrator or sign into an admin account. This initial step makes the GPU metrics available. Now move directly to the Processes and Performance tabs to expose GPU columns and live charts for monitoring. You'll add GPU visibility in the Processes tab by right-clicking any column header and selecting Select Columns. Make sure both GPU and GPU engine are checked so you see percent usage and which physical GPU or engine a process uses. Once done, switch to the Performance tab to view detailed per GPU graphs, usage, memory, encoder/decoder stats. This helps you correlate a process's percent in processes with the GPU graph, so you understand how load is distributed across chips and engines in real time. Now interpret the numbers. Sort the GPU column to surface top consumers and click the specific GPU in Performance to examine dedicated memory and encoder use. This tells you why frame rates or encode jobs lag. If a GPU doesn't appear, make sure Windows Update and the GPU vendor driver are installed, then reboot. On laptops, confirm the discrete GPU isn't disabled in BIOS or Power Profile. If problems persist, reinstall the GPU driver using the vendor's Clean Install option. This resolves most missing GPU issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.